In a world dominated by Chrome and Safari, something new has arrived, promising to redefine how we interact with the internet. Welcome to ChatGPT Atlas, the AI-powered web browser. OpenAI has officially launched ChatGPT Atlas, a brand new AI-powered web browser that could change the internet forever. It's smart, powerful, and learns from you. So what exactly is ChatGPT Atlas, and how does it work? Atlas isn't just a browser. It's an AI assistant built directly into the web, developed by OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. It combines the immense power of GPT-5 with a full-featured web experience, making your browsing truly intelligent. Instead of typing search queries, you can now ask Atlas directly to summarize an article, compare products, or even book a flight and summarize travel restrictions. Could this be the end of traditional browsing as we know it? Think about today's web. Search, click, open tabs, read, copy, paste. Atlas removes this long chain of manual steps. You can literally have a conversation with the internet. For example, ask Atlas to show reviews of a product and tell you which one is worth buying, getting an instant balanced answer. One of Atlas's most exciting innovations is its agent mode. In agent mode, Atlas can perform multi-step actions on your behalf, acting like a digital assistant that doesn't just follow commands but thinks about them. It can research a topic across multiple sources, write a report or blog post, design visuals, or even send emails, all without you leaving the browser. What about privacy and security in an AI-powered browser? According to OpenAI, privacy is a core part of Atlas's design, addressing major concerns about data security. Your browsing data isn't sold, shared, or used for advertising. Atlas processes most requests locally, meaning your data stays on your device. How does Atlas stack up against the long-reigning giants like Chrome and Edge? While Chrome gives you AI suggestions and Edge integrates Copilot, Atlas isn't just adding AI to browsing, it's rebuilding browsing around AI. Atlas is the AI. Its interface is minimal, focused, and context-aware. It can auto-summarize paragraphs, translate content, or generate citations in seconds. Early testers report Atlas feels faster and smoother than expected. It also learns your preferences, tailoring a truly personal version of the internet for you. So will you replace Chrome or Safari with ChatGPT Atlas? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to explore the future of AI and technology with us.